Been a long time. I shouldn't have left you without some dope video to step 2. Hello my friends, Stevo, Magneto, Electrico. Gonna check out the pumpkins today with this Electroculture Atmospheric Antenna. We start off with 2 seeds. Got really lucky. We now have lots of fruit. Yeah, this mini pumpkin patch is watered a little more often now, more than 2 times a week. We are getting good rain. We are getting that good energy, that good prana, that good chi from this Electroculture Atmospheric Antenna. Yeah, letting everything kind of grow wild in between. We do have some weeds, but that's quite all right. We have lots of flowers ready to bloom. Take a look inside to see what kind of fruit we have showing. We have one over here. We have one over here. It may be getting eaten. Yeah, mostly water. After adding basalt, everything exploded with growth. There was one treatment where I did add some beneficial bacteria, mostly for the pumpkin, or not the pumpkins, mostly for the tomatoes that I have going. Looks like there's white spots over here in the corner, but nothing in the main patch. There's that one fruit that we've seen. Here's the second one. Nothing's being eaten there. Yeah, got a good amount of stuff starting, like this little baby. Looks like there may be some good energy where this vine is stretching. We do have the magnets with the galvanized steel running north and south. There's another pumpkin. Let's check out the tomato over here on the end. Yeah, highly impressed with the way the magnetic lines are working, running north and south. Looks like we got some baby maters. This tomato is now as tall as the tomato cage that it was in. Let's look at some pumpkins now. Some of the undercarriage. Yeah, I do want to thank everyone who's been following me. I started off with the 9-foot galvanized steel pole, 2 Igina spirals at the top. I have 12 gauge wire running down to the bottom. And then I added the atmospheric antenna. I'll drop a video just to show you what I built and how I built it. It's working out great. I know after you go above 6 feet, possibly anywhere from 9 to 15 feet would be great. In this case, my garden's stretching out as far as can be, in length and width. It's happy, it's thriving. We have lots of growth. We have until the middle of October before this patch is finished. So anything that I want to do to add to this growth will help. If there's any phosphorus, any potassium that I want to add, that may be an option. Right now I've just been adding not compost, but just brown mulch and anything from the yard just down on the ground. Yeah, I do want to thank you again for following me. If you want to drop a like, please do. Electroculture, Magnetoculture. Yeah, I'll give you an update as soon as possible, and what I mean by that, maybe the next week we'll catch up, see how everything's doing. I know now these leaves are stretching as long as my arm. If you have any questions, please let me know.
I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Stevo Magneto Electrico. Today what we're gonna do is add the topper to this 9-foot Electroculture pole